Hey guys, this is Subhashish Mishra. Today we will discuss another Python program. We will write a Python program to print whether a number is odd or even. So basically we will have a number and we will check through a Python program whether that number is even or odd. So basically when you have a simple number, for example 20, how do you check whether this number is even or odd? Basically you try to divide with 2, the same number you want to divide with 2, and you see if the remainder is 0, then you check and you tell that it is a even number. Okay. If it is not 0, if it is not 0, then you say, if the remainder is not 0, then you say it is a odd number, right. So this is the basic logic we use to check whether a number is even or odd, right. So the same logic we will try to write through a Python program. Okay. Then how you will do it? So let me show you. So the very first thing what you will do, you will take one variable, right, number. Let us take the variable as num. Num is equal to, let us take the same thing, num is equal to 20. Okay. And we will see whether this number is even or odd. Then what logic we will write? First we will write a if block. We will say if number mod 2 is equal to 0. So we are telling if number means here 20 mod 2 is equal to 0, then what we will say? It is a even number. Okay. So we will print even number. Okay. Else what we will say? Print odd number. Okay. That is all. If number mod 2 is equal to 0, then we will say it is a, so here, okay. If number mod 2 is equal to 0, then it is a even number, else it is a odd number. Okay. I missed this, that is why you are seeing that red symbol, right. So let me execute. So here what it is telling you? Even number. Similarly if I will give 21, then you see it is telling odd number. So basically if you have a number and you have directly assigned it to a variable, then you are able to check it. But if you do not want to directly assign the variable, what you want to do? You want to do a input, you want to give a data as input. So in that case how you will write? Again the same thing, you will just write num is equal to int. Okay. Then what will say? Input, because we want to input the data, and what you want to input? Enter a number. Simple. Okay. And now let us try to execute it. So here you see enter a number, whatever number you want to enter, for example 10. See it is telling us even number. If you want to execute again, and this time if you want to enter 9, it will say odd number. Similarly if you will try to enter a big number, for example ends with 4, it means it is a even number, right. It is a even number. If you want to enter a big number which is odd, right. So something randomly I will enter, and see it is ends with 5, it means it is a odd number, it is a odd number. Okay. So this is how you can check. So basically we do check, right, if the number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then it is a even number. If it ends with other numbers, then it is a odd number. So that logic also you can apply. Same logic only we are applying here. Basically if we are dividing it by 2 and if we are getting a remainder as 0, then we are telling it is a even number, else it is a odd number. So pretty easy. I hope this video is helpful for you to find a basic program to check whether it is a odd number or even number. If you like it, please press the like button, share with your friends, and if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. Thank you.